This year marks 60 years since Seiko's legendary 62 MAS, the brand's first professional dive watch, and to celebrate, Seiko has gone deep, literally and figuratively, with a series of stunning anniversary editions. But among them, one release truly stands out. Meet the Seiko Prospex, 1968 Divers GMT Seashadow SPB534, a bold black and gold masterpiece that takes the spirit of deep-sea exploration and wraps it in pure elegance. Inspired by the optical illusion known as the Seashadow, the way light fades into darkness at extreme depths, this model features a glossy black dial and ceramic bezel accented by gold-tone hands and markers. It's sleek, refined, and subtly dramatic. The 42mm stainless steel case, finished with Seiko's hard coating, offers professional-grade durability. 300 meters of water resistance, screw-down crown, and a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Powering this deep-sea companion is Seiko's Caliber 6 R54 automatic movement, delivering a 72-hour power reserve and an independently adjustable GMT function, perfect for travelers and divers alike. And what's really clever? The GMT hand doesn't scream for attention. It's there when you need it, and invisible when you don't. Only 500 pieces of the Seashadow exist, each individually numbered and available exclusively at Seiko's Bond Street boutique in London for £1,600. This isn't just a dive watch. It's a statement of restraint, precision, and timeless design. The Seiko Seashadow GMT, where elegance meets the deep. A true masterpiece beneath the surface.